Authenticate via ID card. Go to the portal, click on your profile, and select My Account. Click on Manage My e-IDs. Click on Link My e-ID. For obvious reasons, you can link one ID to one account. Select the country. EU login will redirect you to the selected country. Follow the instructions for the country. After following the instructions specific to the selected country, you will be redirected to the EU login page and will see a confirmation that the e-ID is linked now to your account. Then go back to the portal, click on your profile, select Security Settings and click on Activate. Select 3 questions and provide answers. These answers will be used for recovery access. To authenticate with a national ID, do as follows. Select e-ID authentication. Select the country. You will be redirected to the selected country e-ID page. Follow the instructions specific for that country. Once successful, you will connect to the portal without a need to provide a password.